Good day to my future employer. I am Rowena D. Corpus, 33 years of age, residing at Villa Concepcion, Cagayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am single, blessed with two daughters. My eldest is 8 years old and my youngest is 6 years old. My highest educational attainment is a college graduate, took a Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, major in Marketing. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, gardening, and also taking care of pets. I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid for 3 years. I serve two elderly, one couple, and two children. Their age is 6 years old and 1 month old baby. I also work in Dubai as a housemaid for 2 years. I serve one elderly, one couple, and two children. Their age is 4 years old and 0 to 2 years old. My main duties is cleaning, cooking, and taking care of their children. I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family, especially my children. I can also handle taking care of newborn baby, toddler, and elderly. I can also offer tutorial to your children. Please hire me. I am kind, honest, and responsible. And I promise to serve your family as my own. Thank you and have a good day.